Hi, my name is Frankie Avery, and I am your cosmetology instructor for Cos 111 Concepts 1 class. Your Cos 111 Concepts 1 class. In this course, you guys should it's basically going to cover the theory concept of your class. This course introduces basic cosmetology concepts, and the topics include safety, first aid, sanitation, bacteriology and anatomy, diseases and disorders, hygiene, product knowledge, chemistry, ethics, manicures, and other related topics. Upon completion, students should be able to safely and competently apply cosmetology concepts in the salon setting. In order to be successful in this class, I do want you guys to be familiar with the announcements, which I'm sure most of you guys already are. Now, if you're not, our announcements are going to be created to relay timely information, just like usually as a reminder of assignment due dates and things of that nature. In the course informations tab, you guys are going to be able to find information about myself, as well as the best communication ways to contact me, and when are my office hours. You'll also be able to find your syllabus information as well as your student handbook and other general policies. Here you'll also be able to locate your course schedules to keep you guys on track. When you click on your weekly lessons, the first place of business is to definitely start with orientation. Here in orientation, you're going to be welcome to the course, and it's going to give you a little bit more in-depth information about how to browse through and navigate through this course. Upon completion of navigating through the course, looking over your course information, you're definitely going to complete what we call a student acknowledgement form. If you are joining us virtually and you're unable to attend the face-to-face class on the first 2 days of orientation, you are going to, upon completing the welcome for step 1, you're going to then locate this student acknowledgement form, this fillable form, and you are going to either complete it and save it and print it out and bring it to class when you're able to attend class, or you're going to either email that to me, and I will get those get that updated and placed in your student files. Here you're also going to learn, or you're going to learn how to log into your JCC online student accounts, including your web advisor, Blackboard, as well as your student email, which will be our primary way of communication about anything relating to your grades. Another resource or another setup that you guys are going to be responsible for, and I'm going to assist you with, is your Mindtap setup. Your Mindtap is going to be used, your Mindtap account and software will be used to submit all classwork, or at least most of your classwork assignments. So it's going to be really important that you follow through and set this up properly. Here I do have a video to assist you guys with not only accessing your Mindtap code, but also registering that code as well. Once you successfully complete the orientation, you will then also be able to scroll and find your different assignments, or your weekly assignments. Here in your weekly assignments, they will be administered in modules. So after your orientation, then you will enter into module 1 and then 2, and it will go on into module 16. In each module, you will have a learning resources, which are going to teach you the material necessary to be able to complete all of your homework, classwork, as well as to prepare you for any assessments or tests that will be administered that week for that particular module. Hopefully, you guys found this orientation or navigations video to be quite helpful. If you should have any other questions or concerns about how to navigate through this course, please, please, please feel free to reach out to me during my virtual office hours or anytime after class. I am definitely available to you guys. I know my virtual classes, office hours are on Fridays, and sometimes the questions that you guys may have need to be answered quickly. So please, please, please feel free to email me anytime that you feel that you need to. Expect my responses to be after class, or at least give me 1 to 2 business days to respond to your email before submitting that same question over again. I look forward, and I'm very excited to working with you guys this semester, and I hope that each of you have a very successful academic semester. Make it a great semester.